Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is freedom. Are you ready to be free? Use your gifts, use your talent, show up and show out every single day, because this, as they say, is your moment. I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt. Therefore, you don't need that in your life. You are a co-creator. You are the superstar. Let nothing stop you from getting to your promised land, to your blessings. So I work to free myself from darkness. I cast off negative thoughts and I find peace in my heart. And I discover the being of light within me. And you shine, baby, shine, because this, as I said, is your moment. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.